Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have an unboxing of the Razer Blackwidow Elite Mechanical Keyboard with Razer yellow switches. The Razer yellow switches is supposed to be linear and silent as the marketing material suggests. So I decided to buy this keyboard because of the following reasons. Mechanical keyboard for tactile feel as you type, a silent keyboard, a media key, and of course the RGBs. You just can't go wrong with that. So let's begin and check it out. The box is pretty hefty, so it's gotta be quality, right? Opening the box, there's a plastic cover for the keyboard to keep the dust off. And it comes with an instruction booklet and stickers, of course. Yeah, slap those RGB stickers everywhere. The USB cable that connects the keyboard to the computer is nicely braided. It was a nice touch, although expected from a keyboard in this price point. After a bit of struggling, I managed to free the keyboard from the box. Let's take a look at how the keyboard sounds when you mash the keys. Inside the box, it also comes with a detachable magnetic wrist rest, which is apparently on sale on Amazon.ca for $25 Canadian. The wrist rest is made out of leather-like material with memory foam cushions to enable you to type in comfort. The side of the keyboard comes with one USB key and one 3.5mm audio jack. When plugging in the keyboard into the Windows 10 computer, Windows detects the keyboard and automatically fetches the software associated with the Razer Black Elite keyboard. As you can see here, there's a few different options you can pick during the installation process. I just picked the default one. After installation, there's a quick tour of the software, and for the most part, the software is pretty intuitive, as you would expect. There are loads of options for blinging out your RGBs to impress your friends. Let me show you some examples of the color patterns that could be set to your keyboard. You can set the keyboard into a wave of rolling colors or a rotating wheel of color to keep your ADD self entertained when you're waiting for your favorite game to load up on your 5400 hard drive. Here's a demonstration of the RGB at work in the dark. In the light, so let me just shut up for a while so you can listen and judge for yourself if the keyboard is actually silent as the marketing material have described. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this.